Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost in Call of Duty. Unlocking this iconic operator is a top priority for many players, thanks to his distinctive look and legendary status. We'll cover the primary methods typically available in the game, ensuring you have a clear path to adding him to your roster. Whether through seasonal progression or direct acquisition, getting Ghost is achievable with a bit of focus and understanding of the game's systems. One of the most common ways to unlock Ghost is through the Seasonal Battle Pass. Typically, he's a premium reward, meaning you'll need to purchase the Battle Pass to gain access. You'll then progress through its tiers by playing the game and completing objectives. Often, Ghost is available early, sometimes at Tier 0 or Tier 1, or as a final reward around Tier 100. Focus on daily and weekly challenges to earn Battle Pass XP quickly. Another frequent method for acquiring Ghost is through in-game store bundles. These bundles usually contain a unique Ghost operator skin, along with other cosmetic items like weapon blueprints, emblems, and calling cards. Keep an eye out for special, limited-time events that might also feature Ghost. Sometimes, completing specific event challenges can unlock a particular Ghost variant or provide a path to his acquisition, so always check event details. Occasionally, certain Ghost operator skins, or even the base operator, can be unlocked by completing specific in-game challenges. These challenges vary widely and might involve achieving a certain number of kills with a particular weapon, completing objectives in various game modes, or performing specific actions in multiplayer or co-op. Always navigate to the Operator Unlock section within the game to view the precise requirements for any available Ghost challenges. This ensures you're working towards the correct objectives.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.